Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Mango Whiteboard animation software. First of all, search for Mango Whiteboard Animation Maker and then click on the link. Now click on download. Scroll down and download according to your PC and then open it. Now click on next button. Now click on I accept the agreement and then next. Then again press next. Next, next, next. Now it will be installed in your PC. Now open the software. Now you can create your empty project. But before using it, you have to log in first. If you don't have account, create new account. After creating new account, sign in. And then you can use the software. If you want more video on how to use it, then comment below. That is all about this video. Thank you.